A very good morning to you all. Today we are going to know about a salt widely used in our daily life, baking soda. Baking soda has a multiple usage at our homes. The chemical name of baking soda is sodium hydrogen carbonate. It is also known as sodium bicarbonate. The chemical formula of baking soda is NaHCO3. Production of sodium hydrogen carbonate. When a brine solution of sodium chloride, the concentrated solution of sodium chloride, that is called brine, reacts with ammonia and carbon dioxide, sodium hydrogen carbonate, that is baking soda, and ammonium chloride are formed. Here you can see the equation NaCl plus NH3 plus H2O plus CO2 NaHCO3 plus NH4Cl. Sodium hydrogen carbonate is sparingly soluble in water and it consists of white crystals. The sodium hydrogen carbonate is a mild non-corrosive base. The solution of sodium hydrogen carbonate is alkaline in nature. When sodium hydrogen carbonate is heated, sodium carbonate, carbon dioxide and water are formed. Sodium hydrogen carbonate, that is baking soda, is heated during the cooking of food. It is widely used in cooking food to save time and make easy the cooking process. Sodium hydrogen carbonate on heating gives carbon dioxide, so it is used to make baking powder. In the industry bakery, the main usage of sodium hydrogen carbonate, that is NaHCO3, are sodium hydrogen carbonate is used as an antacid in medicine to remove acidity of the stomach. We know that in our stomach, hydrogen chloride, that is hydrochloric acid, is produced to make the food acidic in stomach to facilitate the digestive juices produced in stomach for easy digestion. But sometimes excess of hydrogen chloride is produced, which causes acidity and irritation in our stomach. During this, sodium hydrogen carbonate is used to neutralize the excessive acid in our stomach and relieves the pain or indigestion. Sodium hydrogen carbonate is used for making baking powder. Baking powder is a mixture of sodium hydrogen carbonate and a mild edible acid. It means the acid which can be eaten. In making baking powder, tartaric acid is mixed with sodium hydrogen carbonate. When baking powder is mixed with a dough, the water present in the dough reacts with the acid, and in presence of water, sodium hydrogen carbonate reacts with tartaric acid and forms carbon dioxide gas. The reaction is here NaHCO3 aqueous, that is aqueous solution, H ion. Here H ion comes from tartaric acid. It represents the edible acid tartaric acid. During this reaction, sodium tartarate, carbon dioxide and water are formed. The carbon dioxide produced gets trapped in the wet dough and bubbles out slowly, making the cake spongy and soft. Baking powder is not added in the preparation of cake, then cake obtained will be hard and quite small in size. It means use of baking powder in making cake bread makes them soft, spongy and large in size. On the other hand, if we use only sodium hydrogen carbonate in making cake, then the sodium carbonate is formed on heating and it will give a bitter taste to the cake or bread. The advantage of baking powder is that tartaric acid present in it can react sodium carbonate formed and neutralize it. So, in place of sodium hydrogen carbonate, we should use baking powder during making cake or bread. Sodium hydrogen carbonate is also used in fire extinguisher. Fire extinguisher is a device which is used to control fire. In fire extinguishers, sodium hydrogen carbonate reacts with the acid, as you can see in the picture diagram. The dilute sulfuric acid is used in the fire extinguisher when sodium hydrogen carbonate solution reacts with this acid. Sodium sulfate, carbon dioxide and water are formed. The carbon dioxide formed gets escaped through the nozzle and is sprayed over the burning substance. This carbon dioxide stops the contact of the burning substance from air and controls it. Sodium hydrogen carbonate has a number of other uses. So, a substance which removes color from a colored substance and makes them colorless is called bleaching agent. And my dear students, tomorrow or in next video we will learn about the bleaching agent that is called bleaching powder, a widely used chemical. Thanks.